to increase your capacity is you actually should take less calls. In the beginning, you should take a few hours a week of less calls, and you should devote that time to sales training. Because the thing that sharpens the blade that you cut through your sales calls with is not taking more sales calls. It's sharpening the blade. There is a saying by Abraham Lincoln, and it says, if I had 10 hours to chop down a tree, I would spend the first 5 hours sharpening the axe. What you're doing is just chop, 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 but you've got a rusty axe. Hence why you're not getting very far. And you're like, well, we haven't chopped very far. We should put more hours in. Do you see how absurd it is to just put more hours into chopping, taking sales calls, trying to earn more money when you've got a rusty blade? So take 1 hour less of calls per day, which is 7 hours a week if you work 7 hours. And inside the Unicorn Closer Mastermind, we do 7 hours of training a week. 4 to 5 hours on a Wednesday and 2 hours on a Friday. That's 7 hours. Those 7 hours will make you way more money than taking 7 hours of sales calls, because that's only 7 hours of calls that you've removed from your schedule. But if you had another 6 calls a day, or let's say 4 calls a day that turn up, times by 5 days a week if you're a lazy bastard, that's 20 hours of calls. Your percentage probability of closing each and every single one of those 20 calls goes up. So don't look at it as, oh, well, I lost 7 calls in a week. No, you gained the potential to actually close those 20 calls. Whereas right now, for you taking 20 calls, you probably close 4 of them. 4 in a week, 5 in a week. The other thing I wanted to share in this video, backtracking a little bit, is if you earn $1,000 per close, you only need 4 closes a week for 4 weeks to make $16,000 a month in commissions. You're either in the bucket right now that you make less than $16,000, and I guarantee you take more than 4 calls a week, or you make more than that, which is great. But then you have to look at it the other way around and say, well, how am I taking all of these calls and not having a possibility to earn even more money? You have to take less calls, get better at sales, do the internal mastery to become more as a person, and then you put that more capacity into your schedule, and you close the deals that you've actually got on the calendar. And then as you become more able to have a higher capacity, you can then start filling in more calls. If from the first day of sales, I took 8-9 calls a day, I guarantee you, I know for myself, I would have never earned $100,000 a month in commissions. I was able to do that because I started with 3 calls a day, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 8. And then eventually I got up to about 9 booking slots. Typically, that would turn into about 6 calls that turn up a day. You have to do this in the right order. You have done it in the wrong order, which is why you've arrived at this place where you're taking so many sales calls or calendar bookings available. You're blocking off your whole day, your whole week, and you're making no fucking money. There is only one reason that you're in that position, and there's only one solution to get out of that position: your schedule. You have to remove some of the calls on your calendar and devote that time to internal mastery and devote that time to getting better at sales. If you want to get better at sales, you have 2 choices. You either learn to get better at reading a script, memorizing word tracks, and faking your tonality and your body language. Or you devote that same amount of time to learning how to sell without a script, reading human beings, mastering yourself, and understanding true philosophy of sales. What makes a sale? What moves someone? What influences people? What is real leadership? If you want to learn sales that way, the second way, that is what we teach inside the Unicorn Closer Mastermind, combined with the internal mastery training. So in conclusion, there are 4 consequences right now to you not fixing this. There is one way that you can fix it, which is sitting down with your schedule and admitting the truth to yourself that you're packing it with calls, but you're only bringing a lower percentage of yourself to each one of those calls. And then finally, you have to decide how much longer you're going to keep spinning your wheels, taking all of these hours to work to make no fucking money. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached, in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.